This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by David Meador. Great open floor plan with new flooring, fresh paint, newer roof, newer mechanicals, new siding. The vaulted ceiling and fireplace invite you into this great home. The split bedroom floor plan offers privacy. The owner suite features double vanity, walk-in shower and soaker tub. Third bedroom would make an excellent home office. Don't miss out on this single floor home. All it has to offer at this price in Carmel. Taxes do not reflect any exemptions. For more information, review the details below or contact David Meador at 317-716-6092.